Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Sabado, September 21, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw, 20 and 17 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw, 9, 2, and 4 in exact order. Sa 6D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 6, 5, 4, 8, 7, and 3 in exact order, with the first prize of 865,907 pesos and 36 centavos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 6D Lotto with their corresponding prices. Sa Lotto 642, ang winning numbers ay 20, 10, 14, 23, 3, and 38 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 5,940,000. Sa Mega Lotto 655, ang winning numbers ay 6, 20, 5, 28, 29, and 10 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 29,700,000 pesos. Bukas ng gabi sa Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot of 62 million. At ang Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 182 million. Lotto draw schedules ngayong linggo. Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at ang Ultra Lotto 658. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.